Seneta mogwele duond bura mar UDA Gloria Orwoba oyudo fuong'ruok machuok bang' doho ma malo golo chik mar chungo chenro mar winjo bura mane kume kuom dhi ataro gi chike mag UDA. Koloso gi jofwamb weche oko mar log tich mar duond bura mar UDA bore Nairobi, Orwoba noyango wachno kolero ni nodhi e doho mar chungo chenro moro amora mar kaone ondamo mar chik kod UDA e wi okang' mare mar yore nyasi mar rwako pacho jatend migawo machon mar arita Dr. Matiang'i e kaunti ma Nyamira e chak dweni. Orwoba wacho ni nodhi e nyasi makamano kaka jatelo mawuok e oganda dhod Abagusi ma ok kaka jasiasa masiro lwedo dwaro mar Matiang'i mar laro tend piny Kenya e yiero maduong' mabiro. Orwoba bende seyo wasike kuom tiyo gi duond bura mar UDA e temo nego tache mar siasa. Bura mar UDA ne dwa kawo okang' mager ne Orwoba kane ochakore okinyi ma kawuono e log tich mar duond burano.
So the court has stopped the proceedings because we have now been sent to court because everyone must get fair hearing. And by the way, for all the legislators, members of parliament, senators, even the members of county assembly, if you look at what is happening, it means that now you will be afraid to raise an issue at the floor of the house because some wrong people here and there might come and use party machinery to silence you. And we must work independently. I am nominated, I am loyal, and on the issue of Dr. Matiang'i, I come from a community. We have social events. How many people have you seen going for social events? Where the social events are bipartisan. A homecoming is bipartisan. Dr. Matiang'i is my relative as we speak. So those who are coming for me, are you saying now because I am in UDA, my party leader is William Ruto, I am not allowed to see I have many relatives who are not even part of UDA.
She went to the High Court yesterday and the High Court issued orders stopping the UDA party from proceeding. But even when we came with the orders before the committee, they did not want to receive the orders. They did not want to receive the orders, which has actually forced us to even storm out of that meeting. We are not going to engage in such a proceeding, which is against the law.